Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with Business Building Blocks, episode 12 for 2023. So, we've been exploring how to identify business opportunity, and today we are going to look at how to look at the current social trends to spot an opportunity or develop an idea to turn it into a business. So social trends and ideas and activities that society think is important at any given point in time, such as changes in the lifestyle, demographic the composition, attitude towards health, and so many more. So analyzing social trends help you spot an underlying opportunity to explore. So for example, more people are living longer today. More people also tend to marry later than ever before. There are a lot more single parents, fashion trends, behaviors, and so many more. It is estimated, for instance, that up to 56.2% of the world's population lives in cities, and this trend is growing by the week, with up to 90% of this urban population growth taking place in Africa and Asia alone. So the fact is that urban consumers often tend to be more daring, liberal, tolerant, experienced, and prone to trying out new products and services. So this offers entrepreneurs like myself and yourself and business owners an opportunity to go for products, services, experiences, or campaigns that are tailored to the very specific needs of urbanites worldwide, if not city by city or nation by nation. I hope this sets you thinking and you begin to consider the potential opportunities that can come out of this for you. Well, if you need help in starting your business, growing it, analyzing opportunities, please don't hesitate to reach out, including write a business plan and how to source funding. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also get ready for our Business Building Blocks podcast, which is going to be in-depth and more resourceful, and is going to equip you, inspire you, and help you in your entrepreneurial journey as well as other aspects of life. And finally, if you desire to become an author in 2023, I've put together a book writing workshop that is going to help. I'm going to share with you 10 different steps to help you to write your book in 10 days. This is something I've developed over the years after writing 13 books and publishing 8 to date, helping many other authors write their books and ghostwriting many others. I hope this post today helps you. Thank you once again. God bless you. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Like the post, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share with your friends and your network. I'm sure somebody will also be inspired. And do not miss any of the episodes. If you have missed any, just subscribe, go to the channel and get scroll up and you get all the other previous episodes. We look forward to coming your way again soon. Thank you once again, and God